Today I want to show you a way that you can make your second language ability seem to be a lot better than it actually is. The language we're going to be working with is Spanish. It basically just involves learning how to say, please say something in Spanish, and the person responds to that. Then you say one more time. They say it one more time, and then you say, please say it more slowly. This is a really good method because it puts you right in the driver's seat. Once you've learned to say, ¿Cómo se dice blank en español? Then you can direct the conversation to exactly what it is that you want to learn. And because you've practiced this sentence so often, you actually sound like you can speak the other language reasonably well, right? So it's a great way to make it seem as though your second language ability is a lot better than it actually is. I've used this in Mandarin, Spanish, and Japanese. But we're doing Spanish today. So what you do is you say to someone, I think the good example sentence would be, one more time, please. So what I'm going to say is, how do you say in Spanish, one more time, please? And that would sound like, ¿Cómo is how, say is a little complicated grammar, I would say. Dice is speak, en is in, and español is Spanish. ¿Cómo se dice one more time en español is, how do you say one more time in Spanish? So if you say to someone, ¿Cómo se dice en español? One more time, please. They are going to say, una vez más. Terrific. One more time is una vez más. Maybe you decide to repeat it. So you say una vez más, and they say una vez más, and because they just said one more time, you say una vez más, and they say una vez más, and you say una vez más, and that would be real funny, wouldn't it? So what we have so far is como se dice blank en español, and una vez más, which means one more time. And then you want to learn how to say, please speak more slowly. So you say, ¿Cómo se dice, please speak more slowly en español? And they're going to say, hablo más despacio, por favor. Despacio is slowly. Hablo más despacio, por favor. So you say to them, hablo más despacio, por favor, and they're going to say, hablo más despacio, por favor. And then you can say, una vez más, and they're going to say, hablo más despacio, por favor. And you could say, más rápido, por favor, and they're going to say, más despacio, por favor. So the three sentences are, ¿Cómo se dice blank en español? We did ¿Cómo se dice one more time, please? En español, that's una vez más. And we did ¿Cómo se dice please speak more slowly in español? And that is,
hablo más despacio.
You'll see that everything has been repeated a million times because repetition is the soul of learning in a sense, especially when it comes to languages.